Hi, welcome to my channel edtech. Today's class is about an introductory session on function that is used for your JavaScript program. Okay, so what is this function all about? Function is basically used in JavaScript to perform a specific task. A task, something like greeting a person, welcoming a person. That's what we start with in this session. In this session, we want to perform a simple greeting task of returning a message, hello sir. How do we do that? So this is your basic structure within your HTML body. Within the open and closed script, we use our JavaScript code, a small piece of code. You've already learned about variables. So I assign a variable hello to my function greet. The name of the function is function greet. And then remember, when you're using a function, you also need to follow the name by a parenthesis as here, and then followed by the curly open and closed brackets, curly brackets. Within that, you want to return the value of the message that you want to be shown on the screen. Okay, so the value of the message that I want to be shown is hello sir, within open and close inverted. It could be double or single inverted. Okay. Then I have, after the closed curly brackets, I have this console.log within parenthesis hello, because hello is the name of my variable. And when I do this, see the value that I get. Hello sir. That's a message. Okay. So basically what this is all about is just to tell you how a function syntax looks like and how it operates step by step. For a simple greeting task, you just assign a variable, call it any name. In this case, I call it hello. I assign it to a function by the name of greet. Then I follow it up with the open and close parenthesis, followed by curly brackets open and close. Within that, the next step I do return. That's a syntax standard. Return within open and close parenthesis. I need to write the value of the message that I want to be returned, which is in this case hello sir. Then after that, come out of the curly brackets, console.log hello, which is the variable that I have assigned to the function. So quite simple as that. And in this case, remember, this function greet is empty within the parenthesis, but later we'll be giving it parameters in my next oncoming lessons. I'm just doing a mini session here for a very basic introduction of function, so that it is more fun for you, easy to understand, and I'll continue up with these mini lessons. For more such tutorials, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to stay safe. Bye.